Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's enjoy making flower arrangements. In today's video, I'm making a two-tier arrangement. In part 1, I'm making a basic round shape arrangement. Let's start making the arrangement. Make a basic round shape arrangement in a wet foam. I have already posted a video on how to make a basic round shape arrangement. Arrange the flowers following the leaves in round shape. You can add 2-3 variety of flowers in different shape and different size to bring the texture to the arrangement. The upper tier arrangement is ready. Let's make the lower tier arrangement now. I am using a circular foam to make this arrangement. The lower tier arrangement is also ready. Take a tall vase. I am taking a glass vase. Since it is glass vase, I am making a small arrangement and inserting that inside the glass vase. Keep this glass vase at the center of our lower arrangement. Now I am making a colorful spiral using an aluminum wire and a pen. To enhance the arrangement, I am attaching these spirals to the glass vase. Adding some LED lights inside. Now keep the arrangement which we have already made on top of the vase. A beautiful two-tier arrangement is ready. Part 3 is a pedestal arrangement. To make a two-tier arrangement, you can use any tall vase and a base. To make this pedestal arrangement, I have used the same arrangements. I am using a pedestal stand which can be detached. Keep the arrangements in the lower and upper portion of the pedestal stand. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.